Welcome to Sylvia Stingray. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sylvia, your Yuri Manhwa translator. Hey guys, good morning. Let me present you the new chapter of Empress, I Only Date My Wife, Chapter 8, Part 2. So here it is. Let's read the story. Morning, since she fall down on the water and thinks that this girl is a magical girl. Well, and fighting in the water is even worse. I have to go up as soon as possible. Now, she was right about this. At this moment, she's having difficulty to breathe when she was deep in the water, and she need to go up to be able to take a deep breath. Well, it seems that the magical girl, she was staring at hers and thinking that she wanted to go escape. Of course, the girl will really pursue her and trying to stop her so she can able to be on the bottom and she will be soon out of breathing. The magical beast, well, she was locking her and don't want to release her, but of course, Kuning, she was suffering since it was really difficult to breathe. At this moment, she might be in trouble. Now, looking at the situation, such a strong force, I can't break free at all. Well, I'm always out of breath. Kuning said to herself. Well, the girl, she was laughing at her and continued to tease her until she break free. Well, it seems that there's something happening of the water. What do you think? What's happening? There's a red forms or seems that some electricity are coming through from it. Well, this time, the beast mermaid said, what's in the red light? It hurts. Well, when the red light touching her body, of course, it really feel hurt for her. Probably, it has some power. Or, right now, Kuning, she's been released, and it's her chance to go off and take a breath outside of the water. Well, she must really hurry to go off or else the beast will find her that she's trying to escape from her. Now, Kuning surely wanted to escape, but the magical beast said, do you want to escape? She was screaming. Kuning, she was always on the top, but still, the beast, she can easily get her back. Well, this time, she know to herself that she really wanted to take back Kuning on the bottom of the water and said, it's too late. Now, it's really her chance. But the beast, she is trying to reach her out by grabbing her on her hands. But well, do you think, can she really take her back again? This time, let's see what's gonna happen. But something happening. Everything turns black and there's a flood on the water. Could it be that? Can the magical beast really caught Kuning during this time? Well, this is really exciting, but it turns out it was the Empress who got hurt, and the monster hand are fierce onto her. Well, this is really terrifying. Seeing Kuning, seeing Her Majesty that was going to fall down deep on the water. Well, she must really sad about this, and also she looks really terrified. We can see that the Empress face, she is really hurt. This time, after seeing her, Kuning was rashly going to carry the Empress. This time, she must feel terrified but what happened to her. But what do you think? What is she going to do? Is she going to leave the Empress or she will really escape and leave the Empress there? There's a lot of things need to be decided. Now, Kuning, she was calling Her Majesty, but Your Majesty, look at her. She looks really weak. Still, she was told, it is very good, but her face, it seems to be, she was going to die sooner. Well, Kuning, she must really frustrated by this. Also, she looks really terrified and said, I finally protected Ning Ning once. The Empress said to her, Now, it makes sense. Kuning, she was really surprised and she doesn't know that the Empress will save her life and now the Empress is the one who's going to die in front of her. Empress is trying to reach her face. This time, she was calling Her Majesty, but it seems that Her Majesty is losing her consciousness. The Empress was fatally wounded and died in Lingyan Palace. Oh, she must really terrified on that. Could it be that it were really going to happen? The officers and soldiers arrived, but the Empress was already dead, and you were the flame and escorted to the Meridian Gate and beheaded in the autumn. The words still in the turmoil, the people are suffering in the fat end, so it makes sense. She was saving the game. Currently available rollback is time 0. So during this time, she can able to play the game again on martial arts arena. Well, it seems that Kuning, she was going to get vanished. Bowser replayed the game several times and the little Empress has been eliminated several times also. Why this time? Now, it makes sense. It seems that she is out of luck this time. Kuning said to herself, I feel like this is the last time. There's no chance to go back. Show off directly. A late night snack, learning in the water, waiting for an opportunity to attack the science drops, to eliminate the owls. Well, she was really terrified by this, and she's losing her hope that she can really came back on her world. For the last time, I must protect her. So, she's really decided that she was going to protect the Empress, but this time, what do you think? How she can able to do that? Now that there's only one last option left. Huh? Wait, it seems that she was really going to reboot the game. Could it be that she can really help her and also save her in the future? But it seems that the thing, it's really getting difficult. Also, for her, it seems that she was only staring on the screen and thinking what to do this time. System said, set a trap to eliminate the night owl, lie down and wait for the next Empress. This is the fourth option. Now it makes sense. What do you think? What is she going to choose this time? Is she going to restart the game or she was going to wait for the Empress? Well, it seems that this time it might really difficult for her to be able to restart the game. Let's hope that she can able to help her and also she can restart and play the game again. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you like the video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Membership is already open. For those who want to support, you can support me by joining the membership or you can directly support me by Ko-Fi. Thank you, bye.